From the moment this gate opens, you can feel this property is built for privacy and presence. Today we are in the northwest Las Vegas area of town in the Lone Mountain Corridor in Centennial Hills. This stunning property is located minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, downtown Summerlin, and Red Rock Canyon.
And not only is this beautiful home placed cozily and privately in a cul-de-sac where you have free range to do whatever you want. That's right, no HOA on this property. There are endless possibilities in what you can do to your new home. This is also conveniently located next to all of your local favorites, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and the Lone Mountain Park for friends and families. Even before you step inside, the beautiful courtyard to this home invites you for calm and private living.
The flow here makes this feel like both a gallery and a gathering place all at once.
Step outside and this home transforms. Welcome to your own private oasis, sitting on more than half an acre lot. This backyard includes an outdoor kitchen, a resort-style pool, a sports court, and even your own mini golf.
This custom curved island is the heart of the home. This is where everyone ends up. Welcome to your hotel-style primary suite, privately tucked away from all the other bedrooms for the ultimate rest and relaxation.
Luxury doesn't just stop in this primary bedroom. Welcome to this spa-inspired master suite bathroom. This spa includes and features a custom soaking tub, dual head showers, 2 custom vanity mirrors, and his and hers closets. Experience 5-star Las Vegas luxury living right here in your own home.
As you can see, with this luxury estate, you can really have it all.
From custom amenities, endless recreational choices already built into the home, and this prime location, sky is really the limit with this property. I'm Jada Brown, realtor with Visit Vegas Homes.
I'm Valerie Brown, broker owner of Visit Vegas Homes. To schedule your private tour, contact us today.